Hi, this is Gary with Gary Sprinkler Repair Service, and today I'd like to do a quick video on the Hunter XC timer on how to spring forward and fall back. So stay tuned. As you can see in the middle of the timer here is a dial. We're going to turn that to current date and time, and you'll see the timer says 2018, so the year is correct. We're going to go forward with the forward arrow until we can get over to the month. There's the month, there's the day, there's the AM and PM up in the corner, and there's the hour, and we're gonna spring forward. So I'm gonna move it forward, put it back to run, you're done. If it was fall, you would do the exact same thing. You'd come over to set date and time, go forward, 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 till you make the hour blink, and you'd fall back. And that's how it's done. Put it back to run, you're finished.